Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to add bank details in your Zoho invoice. So this is an invoice I generated and it doesn't have bank details. So if a customer wants to pay me, they don't know where to pay, right? So all you need to do is log in to Zoho Books. Now here from the dashboard, what I need you to do is come at the top right, click on this gear cog. This is your settings. And then I want you to scroll down until you see customization and then go ahead and click on PDF templates. And then, of course, choose invoices. So this is the invoice template I have. I'll go ahead and click on edit right here. And what you need to do is come here and click on this option here, other details. And from here, you can add your bank details. Okay. So go ahead and click on this and type in your bank details. So this would be my bank details, and I'll show you what it would look like. Of course, you can go ahead and change the styles. You can make this bold, italic, anything you want to do. Okay, you can even change the colors, right? But we can go ahead and preview this. It's very easy. You can come here, click on preview, and you will be able to see what it would look like. So there we go. We are able to see this. Of course, if you want to add a link, you can add a online payment link as well. You'll have to set that up in your account settings. So there we go. If I go ahead and save this, and now our template information has been updated. Okay. And now I have created a new invoice just to show you. And as you can see, this is what it will look like. Let me open this at a new tab. So I'll show you the before and after. This is the before. Okay. And this is the after. Really that easy and simple.